Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let me talk to you about career astrology. I'm sure you will be loving this topic. The reason being, I would have made so many videos pertaining to career astrology. And this video is a special video. I would like to make a video on this question: how can astrology help in a career? Let me tell you, with regards to career, we have to see the placement of Saturn and different planets. All right. So I'm talking from the Bhrigunandinadi perspective, not from the Sage Parashara Hora Shastra. Of course, from the traditional astrological perspective, that is from the Sage Parashara Hora Shastra, your 10th house talks about career. So, if at all you ask me about the business perspective, I have to see your 7th house, 10th house, and 3rd house as well. But if you ask from only from the job perspective, I have to see your 10th house because 10th house talks about the kind of career that you take up, the kind of bosses you'll be encountered, and the kind of co-workers you'll be encountered, and how will be your workplace environment. All these things can be seen from your placement of by analyzing your 10th house, and especially your D10 chart talks about your career. Most of the people comes for the career consultation to me from the astrological perspective. I generally see the D10 chart, which talks about your career and also career progressions and all that. The kind of career that you take up depending upon the planet's place in the 10th house. And also from the Bhrigunandinadi perspective, I'd like to introduce to you the Bhrigunandinadi perspective, wherein which, if at all, Saturn is placed in certain zodiac sign, and from the fifth placement, whichever planet is sitting, or from the seventh placement, whichever planet is sitting, or from the ninth placement, whichever planet is sitting, all right, that conjunction, for example, let's say, I'll give you an example to you. So let's say Saturn is placed in the first house, and Sun is placed in the fifth house, seventh house, or a ninth house. Then Saturn plus Sun conjunction, it is considered as conjunction. All right. So we have to see the 1579 series in the birth chart. We have to take the planets 1579 series from the placement of planet Saturn I'm talking about. All right. So if you do that, what will happen is you'll be getting the conjunction. You might get Saturn plus Sun conjunction, or you might get Saturn plus Mars conjunction, or you might get Saturn plus Jupiter conjunction, or Saturn plus Rahu conjunction, any planet for that matter. So depending upon that planetary conjunction with planet Saturn, your career is defined, and generally you'll be taking up such kind of career and you'll be successful through that kind of career, obviously. Let me give you a little bit of examples. I can't cover all the planets from Sun to Ketu, but I give you some examples pertaining to Saturn conjunction with that certain planet. Okay, so if at all you have Saturn plus Sun conjunction, or Saturn plus Saturn and Sun are placed in the 1579 series. So during this point of time, you'll be good for politics, you'll be taking up the government job, you'll be good at father's profession, and you might even become a politician. All right. If Saturn plus Mercury conjunction, let's say Saturn in the first house, Mercury in the fifth, seventh, or ninth houses, or vice versa, during this point of time, you'll be suitable more for the business. Why? Because Mercury represents business. All right. And Mercury represents real estate, construction, teaching, astrology, intellectual job, accounts, business management, mathematics, communication, writing. All these are all significators of Saturn plus Mercury conjunction. All right. So these kind of career, these kind of areas of research and development would be suitable for you. And let's say you have Saturn plus Mars conjunction. Saturn is placed in the first house, or let's say Mars is placed in the fifth, seventh, and or ninth houses, or vice versa. During this point of time, then the technology career, or a missionaries, or engineering, police, defense, fire-related, energy, iron, metal, gems, minerals, surgeon, dentist, or all these professions will be suitable for you for Saturn plus Mars conjunction. All right. And let's say Saturn plus Jupiter conjunction, you have it in the first, fifth, seventh, and ninth and tenth houses, of course, and vice versa. And then the comfortable job, teacher in the respectable field, education, guide, judge, lawyer, all these professions will be suitable for you. Let's let's Saturn and Rahu. Let's say Saturn in the first house, Rahu in the fifth, seventh, ninth houses. During this point of time, then secret agents, unethical jobs, shade related professions, computer, software, graphics, photography, TV, cinema, cable, printing and publishing, and also transport industry, travel industry, all these All these professions will be suitable if at all you have Saturn and Rahu. Saturn in the first house, Rahu in the fifth, seventh, and ninth houses. So, depending upon the planetary alignment with Saturn, why Saturn I'm taking as a reference point, let me give you a little bit introduction of planet Saturn. Saturn is the Karaka for career. Saturn is the Karaka for profession. You should have strong Saturn in the birth chart to have a great blessing from your career perspective. You might have come across some people who have been super successful with regards to their career. I mean, by the age of 25 or 26, they will become super successful in their career or even from the business perspective. For all those people in their horoscopes, Saturn will be sitting at a very prominent position in their horoscope. Saturn should be sitting in a greater conjunction with Jupiter, Mercury, or Mars. So these kind of planets gives a Raja Yoga for this person. All right, as per Vedic astrology. Okay. So and also Jupiter and Mercury are also very strong indicators for successful profession and successful business. Especially for business perspective, you need to have strong Mercury in your horoscope. Okay, so these are all the professions as per Bhrigunanthi Nadi. In fact, I just gave you about 4 planets, and rest of the planet I cannot cover in this video. Otherwise, video becomes at least 15 to 20 minutes. I don't want to bore you with so much of information. This is just a short bite video on professions through Bhrigunanthi Nadi because I would like to introduce to you the career astrology. In fact, I have made so many videos related to career astrology in my YouTube channel. Please do check those videos also. But you have to take reference point as planet Saturn. From there, you have to see the conjunction of these planets, 1579 series. All right. So this video is professions as per Bhrigunanthi Nadi. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if at all you want to know which career is suitable for you, if at all you want to know the career aspects, career consultation, you need to book for a career consultation. In my description link, there is a link for you to book the career astrological analysis so that I can do the career astrological analysis because it takes at least each horoscope, it will take at least 3 to 4 hours for me to analyze your entire birth chart with regards to the planetary alignment, and then only I can able to provide you the final prediction, and also I can able to tell you which kind of profession or which kind of business will be suitable for you. All right, depending upon your planetary alignment, and also D10 chart and D9 chart along with D1 chart also has to be analyzed to provide you the final prediction. All right, so thank you so much for staying tuned until now, and I really enjoyed sharing this knowledge with you. My objective is to help you with the knowledge of Vedic astrology. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for an astrological consultation. I'll see you in the consultation, and bye for now.